Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your payment method on Amazon. This is especially useful when you want to verify which cards or bank accounts you have saved, update payment details, or simply ensure your billing information is current before making a purchase. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to the Amazon homepage where you'll have full access to your account settings and payment options. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with various account management choices. From this menu, click on Account. This takes you to your main account dashboard where you can manage everything from orders to security settings. On your account page, look for the section labeled Your Payments and click on it. This is the central hub for all your payment information on Amazon, and it's where you can view, add, or modify any payment methods associated with your account. Once you're in the Your Payments section, you'll see a complete list of all the cards, bank accounts, or other payment methods you've saved to your Amazon account. This display gives you a quick overview of what's currently on file, making it easy to keep track of your payment options at a glance. If you want to see more details about a specific payment method or need to edit any information, simply click on that particular payment method. This will open up the detailed view where you can see the full card number, expiration date, billing address, and other relevant information. From here, you can also make any necessary updates or remove the payment method entirely if it's no longer needed. And that's all there is to it. You've now accessed your payment methods on Amazon and can review or modify them as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.